Hi, I'm Angela Martin and welcome to this Quickcast of the new features of macOS Sierra. And in this episode, we'll be looking at the new continuity feature, which is called Universal Clipboard. Now, Universal Clipboard gives us the ability to copy and paste between our macOS as well as our iOS devices, given our iOS device is also on iOS version 10. Now, before we start exploring how the Universal Clipboard works, let's first look at the settings needed to make this process possible. Now, the settings that must be enabled are our Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both devices, as well as our hand-off setting. So let's first look at our macOS platform. I can see that my Bluetooth and my Wi-Fi are enabled. And if I go to my iPhone, which is now showing on my Mac, if I look on the status bar on my iPhone, I can see that my Bluetooth as well as my Wi-Fi are enabled. Now, when it comes to hand-off, if I go to my iPhone and I go to Settings, and under Settings, I go to General, and under General, go to Hand Off, and I can see that I've got Hand Off enabled. Now, if I should go to my Mac, to my Apple menu in the top left-hand corner, to System Preferences, and under System Preferences, I go to General, and on my General, I can see that Allow Handoff between Mac and iCloud devices is enabled. Now that I've got my settings enabled, I can now use my Universal Clipboard. So to demonstrate it, I'll use my iPhone and I go to the Notes app and I'll start a new note and I'll type in a quick sentence. I'll say welcome to Quickcast. And I'll highlight that sentence and I'll copy it. And now that I've copied it, I can now paste it on my Mac. So if I go to my Pages application and I'll start a new document and I'll paste it, go to Edit and I'll paste, and I'll see that sentence which I copied on my iPhone, paste it now on my Pages document on my Mac. Now I can do the same from the Mac to the iPhone as well. So if I should go to my Safari browser this time on my Mac and I go to digicape.co.za, I'll go to my For Education button, and under my Education I'll take the first paragraph under the 1-to-1 and I'll highlight that paragraph and I'll copy that paragraph, and I can now go to my iPhone and I'll open Notes again this time, and I'll just go to the next line and I hold down and I paste. There's a slight delay in terms of using the clipboard, as we've noticed, as it is going via our iCloud. So here we can see that that paragraph have been pasted successfully from my Mac OS to my iPhone or my iOS device. So now we can see that we have another awesome feature which enable us to copy between our iPhone or iPad to our Mac. So that is me, Angela Martin, and please stay tuned for more episodes on the new features of macOS Sierra. And as always, hope you have a fantastic day and goodbye.